Hello, I'm Bruno Ferreira and welcome back to another lesson of the beginner's course. I'm glad you're here because every new lesson means progress, and that means you will be playing guitar very soon. As you may know, every instrument must be properly tuned before you start playing it. The right tuning of the guitar provides the best resonance of each and every note and chord we play. If it's not in tune, we cannot enjoy playing it. There are different ways of tuning your guitar, but I go straight to the point. For beginners, it's easier to do it with a digital tuner. With experience, you will develop your own way of tuning your guitar into other methods, but this video explains how to do it step by step, so feel free to pause the video if necessary and try to do it in the course of this lesson. Hopefully, by the end of it, you should be able to tune your guitar and be ready to make music. So, let's get straight to it. First, we need to download an app to tune the guitar. Open the App Store, type in Guitar Tuner and download it. I use Soundcorset, but any of them works. We start by playing the 6th string, the one above them all. You should now see the letter E on the display, but this is not the case. Use the musical alphabet as reference and turn the corresponding peg until you see the letter E. In this case, you must spin the tuning peg counterclockwise to tension the string. Once you reach the correct note, use slight adjustments to fine-tune the note until the pointer is centered. Perfect. Let's do the same with the 5th string, note A. As you can see, the string doesn't play the note A yet. We must loosen it by turning the peg clockwise. Once we see the letter A, it's just a matter of adjusting it until it reaches the center. For a better tuning stability, tune the note first down and then back up. Great. All you have to do now is repeat the exact same process on all strings of your guitar, and that's about it. Thanks for watching, I hope you find this video helpful, and I will see you on the next lesson. Have a good day.